Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the lesson number 2, Computer Software Part 3. Computer Software Part 3. I hope everyone is fine. Already you have prepared lesson number 1 and 2. Lesson 2. You are understood also. Today we are going to see the lesson number 2, Computer Software Part 3. In this Part 3, we have to learn some utility programs. First one is backup utility. Second one is scanning for virus. Third one, defragmentation. And fourth one, key term. Fifth one, exercise. Sixth one, answer the following. Key term, exercise, answer the following. Everything I give the part 3. Part 3 in this lesson number 2. First one is backup utility. Allows user to copy or backup selected files or an entire hard disk to another storage medium such as CD or DVD. External hard disk tab or USB flash drives. Backup utilities include restore programs. It is an important utility software which lets you take backup of the computer files. When we needed, it can restore the backed up files into the computer. To access backup and restore utility, go to Start, Control Panel, System and Security, Backup and Restore. All the files can be recovered. Listen carefully. It is an important utility software which lets you take backup of the computer files. You can take backup. When we needed, it can restore the backed up. Files into the computer. To access the backup utility, to access backup and restore utility, go to Start. First you go to Start the button, and the Start button, all the programs are at the Control Panel is there. The Control Panel, when you are clicking the term System and Security application is open, then the backup and restore is there. Okay. And last one, all the file can be recovered. We can recover the files. It is an important utility software which lets you take backup of the computer files. When needed, it can restore the backup files into the computer. Using backup software programs, we can create supplementary copies of data files of entire computer. These copies of files can be used in case of data loss. Backup utility means we can recover the files. Next one is scanning of virus. Scanning for virus. This all scanning of virus. This is the example of scanning for virus. This is example of antivirus. Avast, Norton, Kaspersky, and all example of antivirus software. It is useful for our computer safety. Computer safety. It is an important utility software which lets you scan computer files for presence of virus. It does not compact with a Windows 7 computer. It has to be acquired and installed on the required computer. For being useful, antivirus software must be kept updated. It has to be acquired and installed on the required computer. For being useful, antivirus software must be kept updated. Still, users are expected to follow some safety precautions from viruses to lead a safe computer experience. Example of antivirus software: Norton, Kaspersky, Sophos, Symantec, Avast. These all example of antivirus software. You can scan your drives, pen drive, and enter computer using antivirus software. This purpose only the antivirus software you can use. This all example of antivirus software. Next one is defragmentation. Defragmentation is the action of defragmenting, particularly with a computer disk or drive. The defragment the disk follow the given step. Click the start button and all programs and accessories and system tools. Last one is disk defragmenter. First you can click start button, then click all the programs. The accessories there. The accessories, the system tools are there. The system tools, the disk defragmenter there. The disk defragmenter window appear on the screen. If you are clicking on the processor, click the processor, they give the step you are clicking now. That time the window appear on the screen. Select the disk you want to defragment under current status. Select the disk you want to defragment under current status. You may check the percentage of fragmentation on disk in the last run. Click the defragment disk. It will take several minutes to a few hours to finish. Click the defragment disk. It will take several minutes to a few hours finish. Lesson number 2. All the topics is over. Now exercise. Answer the following and key time. It is very important. You have to learn. You have to write your copy. Key term, first one, system software. It is the kind of software that solve issues related to the running of the computer system correctly. Second one, utility software. It is related to the fine-tuning and management of the operating system, computer hardware or application software. Third one, application software is used to perform a specific task on the computer. First one, system software. Second one, utility software. Third one, application software. This is the key term. Next one is exercise. First one, multiple choice question. First one, Linux is a dash software. A, application. B, utility. C, system. But the first one answer is system. Second one, antivirus software is a dash software. Antivirus software is a dash software. Operation support system utility application. A operation support system. Second one is utility. Third one is application. But the second one answer is utility software. Utility software. The green color word is there, no? That is the answer. That one, MS Excel is as an. MX Excel is a and dash software. Customize application utility. First one is customize. Second one is application. Third one is utility. But the third one answer is application. Fourth one, an example of antivirus software is dash. Fourth one, an example of antivirus software is dash. Kaspersky, CD writer, disk defragmenter. Fourth one answer is A. Kaspersky. Fifth one, the first step in going to backup tool is to click dash. The first step in going to backup tool is to click dash. First one is start button. Second one is control panel. Third one is recycle pin. But the fifth one answer is A. Start button. The answer also is given the red color word. First one is system. Second one is utility. Third one is application. Fourth one is Kaspersky. Fifth one is start button. This is all multiple choice question with the answer. Next one is fill in the blanks. Next one is fill in the blanks. Hints. The answer is given the upside. First one application, customize, utility, network. This all hints. First one, system profilers and disk defragmenters are dash software. First one, system profiler and disk defragmenter are dash software. First one answers utility. Second one, Notepad and WordPad are dash software. Notepad and WordPad are dash software. Second one answer is application software. Third one, library management system usually a dash software. Third one, library management system usually a dash software. Customize software. Customize software. Fourth one, operation support system operate, monitor and analyze the telephone or computer dash. Operation support system operates, monitors and analyze the telephone or computer. Fourth one answer is network. The downside, give the answer. You got to see and write your copy also in book also. Next one, state true or false. Next one, state true or false. First one, the main computer in a computer network is known as the server. The main computer in a computer network is known as the server. First one is true. Answer is given the downside. Second one, MS PowerPoint helps to create form and letter. False. Third one, click start all programs disk defragmenter open the disk defragmenter program. Third one is false. Fourth one, system profiler is a customized software. Fourth one is false. Fifth one, airline reservation system is a general purpose application software. False. It is a common software. The true or false, first one is true and second, third, fourth, fifth all false. Next one is match the column. Answers given the upside. Answers given the upside. System profiler and antivirus software. First one is system profiler and antivirus software. First one answer is E. Utility software. First one answer is utility software. Second one, computer network operation monitoring and analyze. Second one answer is D. Operating support system. Operating support system. Third one, airport and library management. Airport and library management. Third one answer is A. Customized software. Fourth one, Notepad and MS Word software. Fourth one, Notepad and MS Word software. Application software. Fourth one is B answer. Application software. Fifth one, convert into HLL program line by line. Convert into HLL program line by line. Fifth one answer is interpreter. Interpreter. Next, answer the following questions. Next, answer the following questions. What is an operating support system? What is an operating support system? A computer will be connected to the internet. A computer will be connected to the internet. So, certain specialist software is required to operate. So, certain specialist software is required to operate. Monitor, analyze the network. Monitor, analyze the network. The software is called operating support system. This software is called operating support system. Second one, how to launch the disk defragmenter program to defragment the disk. How to launch the defragmenter program to defragment the disk. First one, click the start button and click all programs. Click accessories, system tools, defragmenter. Click the start, all the programs, accessories, system tools, defragmenter. Second one, select current state. Third one, click defragment disk. Second one, select current state. Third one is click defragment disk. Third question, what is the use of scanning of computer for virus? What is the use of scanning of computer for virus? Antivirus software are used to scan for computer virus. Antivirus software are used to scan for computer virus. It helps to keep our system in good condition. It helps to keep our system in good condition. It helps for the fine tuning and management of the system. It helps for the fine tuning and management of the system. Fourth question answer, how do you launch the backup utility? How do you launch the backup utility? To access backup utility, go to start, control panel, system and security, backup and restore. To access backup utility, go to start, control panel, system and security, backup and restore. Last question, fifth one, differentiate between assembler and interpreter. Fifth one, differentiate between assembler and interpreter. Assemble and interpreter are the language processor. Assemble and interpreter are the language processor, but assembler convert assembly language into the machine code. But assembler convert assembly language into machine code, and interpreter convert high level codes into machine codes line by line, and interpreter convert high level codes into machine codes. I hope everyone understood. This was the answer to the question. Fourth question, third question answer, first and second question answer, then the match the column and state true or false, fill in the blanks, and a multiple choice question. Next one is key term. And everything is given the lesson number 2 exercise question answer and the key term in the video. All the students are take their notes and complete your copies, learn properly, study well. Thank you.